Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to send an email at the perfect time, maybe to reach someone in another time zone, or just to look extra organized, this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through a quick and easy guide on how to schedule emails in Microsoft Outlook so they send automatically later. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Make sure you're signing in from a trusted device, then enter your Microsoft credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Outlook Mail homepage. This is your main control center for everything email related. From here, you can manage your inbox, compose new messages, and yes, schedule emails to go out whenever you want. Now, click on New Mail. In the To field, type the recipient's email address, add a clear and concise subject line, and write your message in the body. Take a moment to proofread. Nothing kills professionalism faster than a typo. Here's the fun part. Instead of clicking Send, hit the small arrow next to the Send button and choose Schedule Send. A calendar and time picker will pop up. Use this to select the exact date and time you want your email to be delivered. This is super handy if your recipient is in a different time zone or if you want your email to land during business hours. Once you've chosen your time, click Send. Outlook will automatically queue your email and deliver it at the scheduled time. No need to keep your computer running or your browser open. And if you ever need to double check, edit, or reschedule it, just head to your drafts or Outbox folder. You'll find all your pending emails there, ready to manage or tweak as needed, and that's it. You've just learned how to schedule an email in Outlook like a pro. It's simple, it's powerful, and it can make your communication way more efficient. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.